Fed up with fin cuts, Don Smith came up with this simple design to make surfing safer.
And as you can see, it can actually hit you, the plastic will give, it won't actually open you up at all.
The V-shaped shredder system, named after his dog Shredder, is made from 100% recycled material. It makes the board riding faster but more stable. It can increase speed by up to 30% and improve the ability to do big turns.
It is very basic. You can't get much simpler. They tell me, simple things are good things.
The design was initially tested on boats by Smith. That's where he sees the majority of his commercial value stemming from. Simple and affordable, the advanced steering system will be available for less than $100.
I've got it on 3 different types of boats at the moment, and the fuel savings unbelievable.
But he had some help along the way. The state government chipped in $4,500. The 43-year-old's now looking to the federal government for support. After spending 6 years developing the patent, Don's fins are now on the worldwide market and ready for distribution. And if early sales here on the local front are anything to go by, he could be on a winner.
It's growing every day. More guys are riding it, more guys are getting used to it.
Rowan Walsh, 9 Gold Coast News.